All right, second graders, this is going to be our last AutoDraw assignment. So you can see the setup is very similar to last week's. This time we are saying that we are creating a flag over a season of our choice. And then in order to meet the criteria, you're going to draw two shapes and change the fill color. So both of those shapes have to be filled in. You're going to add text, and then you're going to draw your season. So you're going to pick spring, summer, fall, or winter. This little box down here gives you maybe if you want to brainstorm, because this one you might want it to be a little bit more organized than the one we did last week. And then you will, once again, when you are done, have either the sub look at it or Dalen can look at it to see how you did. And so as you think, well, what am I going to draw for my flag? First I give you some examples here of what maybe you think of when you think of spring or summer or fall or winter. So you'll pick one of those and then get to illustrate. So here is my example. You can see I chose spring. And so using my magic pencil, I drew a tree, a sun, a butterfly, and a flower. I did spring as my text, and then I drew my two shapes of a circle and a triangle and filled them in with blue. So I believe that meets all the criteria, so I would have somebody check it, and then you are able to move on with your next task for the day.